Do you want to create a network map for oil and gas fields? Follow this video to learn how. First of all, you need to have your data in a CSV format. Once you have that, now it's time to import libraries. We will be importing PyVis, which is the networking library, and we will be importing pandas as well. We'll use pandas to read this CSV file. Once we do that, now it's time to initialize our network. We'll be first start by adding the wells nodes, and then we will follow by adding the nodes for these stations as well. You can change the colors for the stations. Now we will set it to red. Once you do that, it's time to add the links between the wells and the stations. We will be using add edge. In the add edge, we will add two nodes. The first node is going to be the source, and the second one is going to be the destination. Now it's time to save our graph. Once we save the graph and give it a name, now we can show it. Now there we go, you have your graph. Now it's time to change the sizes of the wells depending on the production. We can do that by setting the value of the nodes. And there we go.